You've probably heard chia seeds are a superfood, and they are. But did you know they could actually be dangerous if eaten the wrong way? These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, antioxidants, minerals, and heart-healthy omega-3. But if you eat them dry or take them with the wrong medications, they could cause choking, digestive issues, and even serious complications with your prescriptions. Here's exactly how not to eat chia seeds, and how to enjoy them the right way. First and foremost, never eat dry chia seeds. There was a case involving a 39-year-old who almost choked to death after swallowing a spoonful of dry chia seeds and then drinking water. What happened? Chia seeds can absorb 10 to 30 times their weight in liquid. Once swallowed, they began expanding in the throat, blocking their esophagus and making it nearly impossible to breathe. So remember, always soak chia seeds in water or any liquid for at least 10-15 minutes before consuming. Let them fully expand before they enter your body. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have a natural blood-thinning effect. This is usually great for heart health, unless you're already on blood thinners or blood pressure medications. In that case, chia seeds could amplify the effects of your medication, increasing the risk of bleeding or causing your blood pressure to drop too low. The same caution goes for people on diabetes medications. Chia's high fiber content can help lower blood sugar naturally. But when combined with medication, it could lower your glucose too much, leading to hypoglycemia. Always talk to your doctor before adding chia seeds to your diet if you're on prescription meds. Chia seeds are high in fiber, and while that's usually a good thing, too much can cause problems. Overeating chia seeds may lead to bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. If you have a sensitive digestive system or conditions like IBS, chia seeds might worsen your symptoms. Also, make sure you drink enough water with them. Because they absorb so much liquid, eating them dry or without enough fluid can create digestive blockages or discomfort. Stick to 1-2 tablespoons a day and make sure you're staying hydrated. Some people may be allergic to chia seeds, especially if they have existing seed allergies, such as mustard or sesame seeds. If that's you, it's best to avoid chia altogether. And if you have kidney issues, chia seeds might not be ideal. They're high in phosphorus, which can stress the kidneys when consumed in excess. So what's the takeaway? Chia seeds are incredibly nutritious, but only when used correctly. To stay safe, always soak them before eating. Stay hydrated. Don't overdo it. No more than 2 tablespoons per day. Talk to your doctor if you're on medications. Used the right way, chia seeds can support digestion, heart health, and blood sugar, all without the risk. If you have any tips or tricks on using chia seeds, leave them in the comments below. Would love to hear them. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.